Well, there it is, guys. Another batch complete, and these are looking sharp. And they are all going right here. So let's get them started right now.
It wiggles its body to swim.
I can already feel the heat right here.
Wow.
These are actually really hard to put in because my insulation is kind of sagging a little. It's got a lot of density, a lot of pressure, so I'm trying to force it up. It seems to be getting a little easier as we go. I don't know. I'll have to keep experimenting until
Paper.
Belle,
Yeah.
what is that?
It's a leech.
Where'd you catch that?
It was in our pond.
What do you think, Maverick?
I love it.
Why?
It's like gross and cool at the same time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'll just see if it sucks the blood out of your bowl.
Let's not.
I won't pet it.
That end is just a little springy. I'll have to just nail this. Nail this one in first. We are making awesome progress on this ceiling. It's actually going a lot easier, a lot quicker than I expected, and we're making good coverage here. I can start feeling the heat now. I'm getting up into the attic zone. We have a door that's open here. You wouldn't believe how much heat comes out of that. We will be closing it up soon. I just have to work on those doors. Slowly but surely, we're getting it done. There's almost no heat. I would say no heat coming off the insulation though. I mean, the roof is well insulated, and that'll be fine. It's just blowing out of here. I can feel it. The heat bursts out when the wind blows. Luckily, it's not too hot today, so we're doing okay. This paper is a little bit difficult to work around, but it's so nice. I'm telling you, it's so nice. I wouldn't be able to do this with the loose insulation. Guess I'll cut some more wood. My cut turned out more egg-shaped than round, so hopefully it works. Let's see if I can even get it past the lip here. Wow, it's snug, but it looks like it's gonna work.
Yep.
I have to back up a little, but I think that'll work. It's too bowed. Let's do the clamp trick here. Take that. This one's going to be weird because it doesn't... The ceiling changes angle right here, so...
Like, exactly?
More or less.
Wow, that worked out, didn't it? That's how you wanted it to go.
Yeah. It's not perfect, but it's close enough to being perfect.
Good.
This one's a little springy. Give me the clamp. I'm going to clamp it. I have the wall here so it's easy. As you guys might know, Belle loves bugs. She likes to spend her time collecting insects, watching them, raising them.
Yeah.
And she has multiple terrariums where she keeps her insects, and she just has a lot of fun doing that. That's how she keeps herself busy while we're working on the house. And since we're on the topic and we had her attention, I thought it'd be fun to show some of the artwork she's been doing. I know you guys love seeing her artwork updates, so here's something she's been working on recently.
Mm-hmm. These are all beetles that I've seen here.
Yeah, every one of these drawings is a beetle that Belle found, and while she had it, she drew a picture of it. That's cool. So that's a work in progress.
Yeah. There's still more beetles to do. Maybe if I see a bunch more beetles soon, I'll have another page full.
Yeah. So that's her latest artwork. Really good, really beautiful work.
Mm-hmm.
She does other stuff too. All kinds of stuff, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, that's all. Just wanted to show you the artwork update, and we're going to get back to work on the house. I know it's getting dark in here, but I just wanted to show you guys that we just finished making these last 4 boards, plus this one. These last 4. To finish up our ceiling in here. And Ashley is cleaning out the bathroom because she's going to fix the floor.
We are.
Now, this needs to be vacuumed, but this is our poor grouting job, and you can see these cracks. We're going to try to fill them in. We're going to vacuum all the sand out of them and smooth it out. What we did was, went to the store, picked up some more grout. The same exact grout, same color. We're going to mix up a small batch and just do the floor again, a little skim coat over the top to smooth out all those pits. Now that's not going to make the floor look better, it's just going to make it easier to clean, and it won't hold dirt and sand as much as it is now. The real thing for us that makes the floor ugly is that the grout is too high. It didn't sink down that little bit that we liked to leave the really clean edges of the tile. So while this will help the tile, it's not going to pretty it up much more. It's not. I wish we could grind down the grout and make it nice, but there's just no way to do that practically at this point, so we accept it. So let's get that job done, then we'll be done for the night. We've gotten a lot done. We got the ceiling almost finished. We also did some good shopping online, some good planning, all kinds of stuff in the works, exciting things to share. And now we're going to fix that floor. It's going to be a pretty good day. Alright, I'm going to try to keep it away from the walls though, because I don't want to... I don't want to make a mess.
get super close because the trim's gonna get in there.
I hope we don't make it worse, though. That's my only fear.
Yeah. When we mix it, I always think we're making brownies.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like.
Like I said, I'm trying to stay away from the walls, 'cause I'm kind of scared. Well, you've been talking about this for a while. I'm sure you're glad that it's finally getting done.
Yeah. I mean, this was the next step. We couldn't do trim yet without this done. You know?
Oh, yeah?
Ooh.
What were you saying, Ash?
That's the only piece you got in. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're sponging. Hopefully this goes well.
I never know how to do this part. It's like... Man, there's like so much on the floor here. I think I'm going to need...
So this is where we're at.
Don't look.
It looks like an utter disaster.
It's clean up and try not to let it dry too fast on the tile so we can't get it off. I need about 10 sponges. I don't know, the sponge just makes it worse every time. Like, I hope it's gonna look alright. I hope I didn't put too much in or taking too much out.
Oh, it's looking good.
Alright, that's all I can do for now. It looks okay. It looks fine.
Yeah.
We'll have to see how it looks dry in the morning. A lot of the pits are filled. Some of them you can still see, I think, a little bit, but I think it is better.
Yeah.
So,
Me too.
there it is. And that's all we have for tonight. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.